I'm Lu Hua. I graduated from Rhode Island School of Design in 2024 with a Bachelor of Fine Art in Interior Architecture. Currently, I am a design researcher at the Southern University of Science and Technology in Shenzhen, China. Our lab focuses on brain responses and stress levels in built environments. My design and research interests are health in architecture, environmental psychology, and inclusive architecture for marginalized groups. I'm going to briefly introduce to you about 3 of my projects. Please refer to my full portfolio for the other projects. The first project is a participatory design workshop held at the Chinese Computer-Human Interaction Conference 2024. It is to explore empathy in design for elderly. The design of the workshop is informed by research in empathy building assessment and participatory design practices. The workshop had 2 key parts. First, emphasize building exercises which allowed participants to experience physical aging using age simulation suits and emotional aging through documentary and journey mapping of elderly life. The second part is co-creation session, which involved group brainstorm and small group co-design where they create design solutions and storyboards. Data collected includes empathy assessment scores, discussion recording, and design proposals, currently in the process of further analysis. This project focused on navigation system for a clinic serving opioid use disordered patients. We employed 2 theoretical frameworks: the environmental cognition theory, which analyzed typologies like landmarks, nodes, and turning points to understand spatial navigation, and social wayfinding theory, which explored how crowds and human traces serve as implicit cues for navigation. Based on the 2 theories, I conducted qualitative analysis of the site and crowd simulation in Grasshopper on 3 routes to the clinic, which is inside the Rhode Island Hospital. I then create this map of key decision points to put the navigation signage. I also designed a signage system for each type of decision points, enhancing navigation for the users. The last project is an adaptive reuse project addressing a significant gap in support for autistic teenagers transitioning into adulthood. I designed a temporary family system housing 4 autistic teenagers and 2 high-functioning autistic adults. The house allowed them to live together over a 2-year of transitional period. For the spatial design, I created 3 sensory gardens focusing on sound, scent, and taste. I also, to adapt to the range of hypersensitive and hyposensitive needs of autism. I also created this atrium of escape bubbles, acts as a buffer between private living and community spaces. Material choices minimize sensory distraction, while repeated material in both private and public area promotes familiarity and ease transition. The gardens also unify fragmented spaces in the original building, bring in natural light, and create landmarks for navigation. My other work includes professional work during my internship at Perkins & Will and current research of stress in hospital waiting room at South Tech University. Here are some of my digital media works in programming, virtual reality exhibition, and spatial audio design. There's also a video link in the portfolio to experience these projects. Overall, I merged research, community engagement, and spatial design to address challenges in health, mental wellness, and inclusiveness. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time.